a lovely picnic, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
It's nice. Do you like your mint leaf?
Succulent mint.
Dad, I think there's gonna be a flash flood.
Oh, be quiet. Go on, keep thinking. Wouldn't this be a nice spot to have a picnic?
Yeah, I think we should try it again. You know what they say about floods? They're like lightning. They never strike the same place twice. So, Luke, I think you should sit right there. Garrett, why don't you sit right there? I'll sit here, and Zach, right there. I think that would be good. And because what are the possibilities of another flash flood happening in the same spot?
I know, it's so ridiculous.
I know.
Oh, what do you do if in case of a flash flood?
Oh, well, they say the recommended procedure, if you're in a flash flood, don't move. And the other thing is don't panic. You see, they're very...
That's probably what we did last time.
Right, floods are, they're very aggressive, kind of like a grizzly bear, and so the best thing to do is to stay right where you are, play dead, just freeze, and they won't hurt you, they'll leave you alone. So
if flash flood comes, just lay down and play dead.
Lay down and play dead, that's all.
Oh, okay, I'm glad I know that.
Yep. Alright, enjoy your dinner. That sounds familiar.
I know, it's crazy. Maybe it's a bird or something.
I think it's a bear.
We'll have to get comfortable and sit down.
Lay down! Lay down! It's not working! Picnic?
Same place?
Flash flood.
No chance.
Picnic?
Same place?
Flash flood.
What's the chance?